What's the meaning of apeshit? Apeshit. Apeshit. Apeshit.
Apeshit. Apeshit. Apeshit is a slang term that describes a state of extreme anger, excitement, or agitation. It is often used to describe someone who has lost control of their emotions and is behaving erratically or violently. The term originated in the 1950s and is derived from the behavior of apes, which are known for their primal and unpredictable nature. When someone goes apeshit, they may shout, scream, throw things, or engage in other irrational behavior. The result of going apeshit is usually chaos and destruction, both physical and emotional.